Yes, I say good morning. Yeah, today is a Wednesday, and I wished that we could analyze Nasdaq. So, starting from monthly, I'll be using only two candlesticks, two monthly candlesticks. So, monthly, yeah, we don't literally do market structure mapping. Monthly, we only look for one thing. We look for the direction bias and the order flow. So monthly, for me to know the direction bias, like I've been saying, I just use the methodology or the theory of candlestick logic or candlestick science. I only use two candles, whereby I'm using the previous monthly candle. I just want to see how it closed so that I can determine the potential direction of the most recent monthly candle. So according to the previous candle, we saw that this previous candle that we had, it rejected off of this monthly fair value gap. So basically, which means we hoping to see our draw on liquidity to be on the buy side, as you could see at the all-time highs. So what I'm seeing, Nasdaq has been bullish all the time. You could see the way it has been printing lower highs. It has been printing higher highs, higher lows, because we are on a bullish trend. As you can see, this is a monthly time frame. So for me, seeing this previous monthly candle rejection, it gives me a clue. And where is it rejecting? It's rejecting off of this monthly bullish fair value gap, which means candlestick science shows us one thing. Yes, shows us the possible drawn liquidity and the possible order flow. So for me, already I've just seen the order flow. I know the order flow. So this single candle alone, this part of the rejection, as you could see on the lower time frame, this rejection simply means the order flow are switching from bearish to bullish. Fair value gap chains switching from bearish to the bullish direction. So it's easy for me to imply that we are bullish on Nasdaq. Yes, according to the rejection that we had, this monthly fair value gap was highly respected, and we're hoping to start now pushing price higher due to two candlestick rejection. So, but how are we gonna push price higher? We just need to be scaling down to lower time frames using time alignment. So we have to first start on weekly. We go to monthly, weekly. We look for our area of context if we could be able to see one. Yes, weekly is quick enough. Weekly, we already have our area of context. This area of context is literally the what? This fair value gap. You can see. Let me just mark this fair value gap. We have another bullish fair value gap on weekly, as you could see, and I was literally waiting for price to tap this weekly fair value gap to see that we would continue to see price rejecting off of this weekly fair value gap. So that's my context area on Nasdaq, which means weekly is also aligning bullish. So for me to look for swing entries, I have to correlate, I have to match weekly with the relevant time frame which actually could possibly align. So whereby I'll be going straight to 4 hour. 4 hour, this is the time frame I'll be waiting for to see an impulse shift or a sharp turn. I would literally wait for one thing, for a bullish fair value gap. Without seeing a bullish fair value gap, I won't frame any entry. So for me, I'll be waiting for a bullish fair value gap to form. Then afterwards, I'll be able to use the same bullish fair value gap to frame my entries to the upside towards the what? The monthly what? Draw on liquidity. So Nasdaq, we still bearish, but we haven't confirmed fully that it has started buying, because now we're still correcting this area, as you could see. So simply you could see this liquidity has already been taken out. So for you to be able here to take chance on this potential entry, wait for H4 fair value gap to form, and it should be a bullish fair value gap. Once it forms, that's where you're gonna put your buy entries, and literally you're gonna be putting your stop loss below this swing lows. So here it needs much of waiting. If you need to really give to get a pure and nice confirmation to start buying, wait for the H4 bullish fair value gap formation. That's what is needed. So Nasdaq, this is what I have on Nasdaq. But if this fair value gap that we have on weekly fails, which means price can literally come and target this swing lows ultimately towards this demand, but I don't think so. Yes, because we've been bullish, and already we could see our context area on weekly that we've got. It shows that the price has stopped, so we just need for a confirmation, a bullish fair value gap. If not that, you can go to a time frame lower. You can just use 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour, you're gonna literally wait for a shift of market structure. That's it. Once you wait for the price to displace upwards with a shift of market structure, which means you're gonna be able to frame your entries. You could possibly look for any PDR within discount. Yes, because once price displaces, it leaves behind an imbalance, so that could be a fair value gap. So you would literally wait for that displacement, the change of character. Yes, so that you can be able to frame your entries to see that you can get a chance to move to take part of this buy. So only wait for H1 shift of market structure, wait for price again to retrace back to areas of discount, then you're gonna be able to take your buy entry. So I'm looking forward to buy Nasdaq, and I'll be swinging it. I don't know how long I'll hold it, but yeah, it's likely to be moving upwards. Yes, right, starting from today towards the coming weeks. Yes, so this is what I had for today. Have a beautiful Wednesday. Thank you.